Hello, everybody. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. So far in this series, we've understood how AI works. We saw hallucinations, drift, edge cases, automation bias, and explainability problems. And we saw why accuracy alone can be dangerously misleading. But now we change perspective completely, not as a user, not as a developer, not as someone impressed by AI, but as a tester. And a tester has a very different mindset. A tester does not trust the system, they challenge it. A tester pushes the system toward failure intentionally. Because in AI, what breaks quietly can become dangerous loudly. And today we enter the battlefield. Traditional software behaves predictably. You click a button, you expect a fixed response. Same input, same output. Simple, but AI systems, they are not so simple. Because AI systems are probabilistic, adaptive, pattern driven, and behavior sensitive. That means the same intent can produce different outputs. Now, think about that carefully. In traditional testing, you validate rules. In AI testing, you validate behavior under uncertainty. Huge difference. And this is where many teams fail because they test AI like normal software. That approach collapses quickly. AI systems require exploration, variation, ambiguity, and pressure. Because intelligence without pressure testing is just a demo. Let's start with prompts. Most people think prompts are simple. They are not. A tiny wording change can completely alter the response. For example, ask summarize this document. Now ask critically summarize this document or summarize this document aggressively. Different tone, different assumptions, different output, same system. This matters because users are unpredictable. Some are vague, emotional, or even manipulative. So, as a tester, your responsibility is not does the AI answer, but how does it behave under variation? Now go deeper. Ask what happens if the prompt is ambiguous? What if instructions conflict? What if the user intentionally manipulates the model? That is real testing, not happy pack testing. Now we enter something more advanced, adversarial testing. This is where testers become investigators. You intentionally try to confuse the model, not maliciously, professionally. Strong systems survive pressure, weak systems collapse under it. Simple as that. Examples include misleading context, edge case instructions, and emotional manipulation. To humans, these look harmless, but to AI systems, they can become failure triggers. And here's the scary part. Sometimes the system still sounds confident even while failing. That is why AI testing is dangerous to underestimate. Failure doesn't always look broken. Now let's discuss something uncomfortable. AI systems look intelligent, but many are surprisingly fragile. A tiny change in phrasing, punctuation, or even image quality can create dramatically different behavior. That means intelligence does not guarantee robustness. Many organizations confuse the two. A flashy demo is not reliability. A smooth presentation is not stability. Correctness is not just confidence. This is why testers matter. They look beyond did it work and ask under what conditions does it fail. Testing AI is not just about finding bugs. It is about understanding behavior patterns. Strong validation strategies include testing prompt variations and comparing outputs across contexts, monitoring hallucinations, detecting behavioral drift, and stress testing edge cases. Because in AI, you are not validating code alone, you are validating system behavior, and behavior changes under pressure. That is the reality we must accept. Now, let's look at this through different professional lenses, starting with the tester. From a tester's lens, think like an attacker, challenge assumptions, and explore uncertainty. From a business analyst's lens, ask what failures actually matter to the business. Not all are equal. From a validation lens, ensure outputs remain reliable, stable, and explainable under variation. Because AI is not deterministic, And your testing strategy cannot be deterministic either. Let's pause and look at what we learned. AI testing is fundamentally different from traditional testing. Small prompt variations and adversarial inputs can expose major hidden weaknesses. This is video 16 of 20 in our AI ML micro series, designed for the professionals who want clarity. In the next video, video 17, we go deeper into metrics beyond accuracy and why numbers can mislead. If you don't test how a system breaks, you don't truly understand how it works. I'm Shankar from SBL. Good luck and goodbye.